Okay, so we'll welcome to another series of our videos or after our topic related to mathematics or in engineering. So this time we will be discussing about the plane geometry. This is our first episode sa ating plane geometry. So we will be discussing about the circle. So medyo mahaba tong circle, ano? But this would be the most medyo madaming lumalabas dito sa mga type of problem na ito kasi yung pinakamagandang topic sa plane geometry. That's why ito yung inuna natin. Okay, so we have here a problem. What is the area of the circle with a circumference of 18 pi? So alamin muna natin what is asked in the problem. So alamin muna natin what is the circle. Yung circle is ganito siya. Yan yung circle. Yung buong circle na yan, that is what we call the area. Itong loob, itong green na may naka-highlight na green. Tapos yung that is the area. Yung circumference naman is ito lang. Ito yung circumference or the length lang, length or haba nitong bilog. Kunyari meron kang rope or meron kang rope na tapos gawin mong circle. So yung haba ng rope na yan, that is what we call the circumference. Okay, that is the circumference. Okay, so given tayo ng formula, the area of the circle is equal to pi r squared. And then the circumference naman is denote natin as c. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r. That is given na dati so sa mga formulas na yan sa solid mensuration or sa plane geometry. So dapat mo nyo itong tandaan. Pag hindi nyo yan natandaan, hindi nakalimutan nyo. Charot. So ganun. Okay, so given tayo, solve na natin kung paano natin isolve itong problem na to. So yung hinahanap is the area. Kaya lang pag pumasok agad tayo dito sa formula ng area, magiging unknown yung radius natin. So ibig sabihin, hanapin natin what is the value of the radius. So yung radius natin is makukuha natin dito sa ating problem or dito sa ating formula, the circumference, kasi given tayo ng circumference. Yung circumference natin is 18 pi is equal to 2 pi r. Dito tayo mag-focus. Okay, muna. So, cancel natin. Maka-cancel out kasi yung pi. Kasi may pi sa kabila, may pi din sa kabila. So, maka-cancel out yan. And then, we have 18 is equal to 2r. So, kung sa algebra is medyo na kayo doon sa mga variable na x dito, meron na tayong variable r na. So wag kang malito diyan, kasi yung mga letters lang doon is mga notations lang yan para medyo madali mong tandaan. So according to the problem or the rules in algebra, divide down natin to by 2. Okay? So para ma-cancel to, di ba? Tapos 18 divided by 2. So this would be r. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So that is our answer for the radius. O ngayon, ipasok na natin yung area ng circle. Area is equal to pi r squared. So mayroon na tayong value ng r, pi 9 squared. So area is equal to 81 pi. Yung unit is centimeter squared. So this would be our problem or our solution to the problem in number 1. Okay, so screenshot nyo kung paano nakuha to. Kung hindi nyo nakuha, so ulitin nyo ulit ng ulit-ulitin, tapos try nyo in your own. Okay, so we have here next problem or problem number 2. Okay, so sa problem number 2 naman, find the area of the sector bounded by a 60-degree central angle in a circle of a radius 6 inches. So dito naman is tinatanong is the area of the sector. So sector So sector siya. So sa circle, ano ba yung sector na tinatawag? para maintindihan natin. Gawa muna tayo ng circle. Okay, yung circle natin is ganyan. Meron tayong center. Ito yung center ng circle. Tapos, okay. Tapos, gagawa tayo dito ng radius. Okay, this would be our radius. Diba? Radius, our radius. Ito yung tinatawag na central angle. Central angle. At ito naman yung tinatawag na area of the sector. Ito yung area of the sector. Itong portion lang ng sector lang ng isang circle. Hindi siya buong area, hindi siya buong circle. Isang sector lang. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng sector. Okay? So, we have here the given formula. Ang formula natin, that is 1/2 r squared theta. Yung theta niyan that is what we call the central angle, or yung angle na nakapaloob. Kasi pwedeng dalawang yung angle dyan eh. Pwedeng ito. That is also sector ito. That is also sector. Diba ito? Kaya lang medyo malaki na siyang sector. So yung pinafocusan lang dito is itong area na ito. So, kaya lang yung theta na yan, this would be in radian. Para magamit mo tong formula, dapat yung theta mo is in radian. So, yung value natin ng central angle natin is in degrees. So, we need to convert that one into a radian form. So, dapat alam mo kung paano yung relationship ng radian. So, sa radian, 1 radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay? So, mostly, yung ginagamit dito, yun kasi yung, yung nakakapagpalito. Kasi given naman tayo, kaya lang, once na ipasok natin yung angle na yan, dito, magiging mali yung sagot natin. Kasi dapat daw, nasa radian ang unit natin dito sa formula. So, paano natin may kukorek or matatama kung yung isang formula na lang? Kasi mostly naman, yung central angle, yung itong central angle na tinatawag naman, is mostly naka-designate naman talaga siya in terms of degrees. So, ganito yung gawin natin. From the formula, 1/2 r squared. Dapat daw itong radian, kasi mostly di ba yung given natin dito sa ating mga, dito is nasa degree. So, theta degrees, convert natin into radian mode, radian. So, mayroon tayong dito 180 degrees para ma-cancel out. Or just in case na bigyan na tayo dito ng degrees. So that is equal to pi. Ganyan yung magiging conversion para ma-cancel out yung degrees in terms kung degrees na yung ibibigay. Okay, so ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating equation. So this would be 1/2 r squared times theta 180 degrees. Okay, so ito nasa in terms of degrees na yan. Okay, so kung pasok natin dito sa loob, so this would be the area of the sector is equal to pi r squared theta degrees all over 2 times 180. This is 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin gamitin itong formula kahit na nasa degrees pa yung mode natin ng ating central angle. Okay? So, the sector, the area of the sector is, ano ba yung pi times r. What is our r? 6 inches. Squared times 60 degree. Okay? 360 degree. Okay, maka-cancel out na kasi yung degrees na yan. So, the area is given tayo ng gamitin nyo yung calculator nyo, this would be 6 pi inches squared. Okay? So, ganito yung magiging sagot natin sa ating problem na ito. So, this would be the sector. I hope na nakuha nyo yan, ano? The area of the sector. So, stay tuned to our next episode on circles pa din.